In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines on Adobe Acrobat. If you need to mark up a PDF, add a simple divider, or place a line where someone needs to sign or fill in information, Adobe Acrobat makes that process very straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it in a clear and simple way. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open on your screen. It's always a good idea to confirm you're editing the correct file before making changes, especially if you're working with multiple documents. Once your PDF is visible and ready, you can move on to the tool you'll need. At the top of the Acrobat window, click on e-sign. This section is commonly used for filling and signing documents, but it also includes useful markup elements like lines that can help you organize or complete your PDF. After you click e-sign, a menu will appear with the available options for that mode. In the left-hand menu, look for the line icon under the fill and sign section. Once you find it, click that line tool to select it. This tells Acrobat that the next thing you want to place in the document is a line. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the left panel carefully, since tool layouts can sometimes feel a little compact depending on your screen size. With the line tool selected, go to the page and click where you want the line to appear. This places the line onto the document. Try to click as close as possible to the area where you want it, since that can make the next adjustment easier and faster. Once the line has been added, you can drag it horizontally to the left or right to decrease or increase its length. This is useful when you want the line to fit neatly into a form, align with other content, or span a specific section of the page. Take your time with this step so the line looks clean and properly positioned. And that's all there is to it. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat, go to e-sign, choose the line icon from the left-hand menu, place it on the page, and then drag it left or right to adjust the length. If needed, zoom in a little while, making adjustments so your placement is more precise. With just a few clicks, you can add clear, professional-looking lines to your PDF.